This 2012 Jaguar XJ 5-litre V8 Super Sport deserves its amazing video because what a beautiful car this really is. We've had it on the ramp for a pre-delivery inspection, so every car that comes into our facility goes into the workshop, has a full basically health check. Once it's passed that, then we allow it to be able to be advertised for us. If it doesn't pass, it goes to auction. And my God, is this car clean. For 2012, bearing in mind it's 13 years old, underneath, no signs of any fluid leaks. It's rust free. It's just beautiful. Really, really up together. So this is a lovely, lovely example. Aluminium body, as you probably know on these. Jaguar XJ, massive car, beautiful to look at. Black on black. It's got black leather with the black exterior, with anthracite grey alloy wheels, with good tyres all round. They're Dunlops. Sorry about the flip-flops, it's summertime now, so time to wear some nice summer wear. Just a lovely, lovely example, isn't it? So 20-inch in diameter. Okay, you've got a panoramic roof as well. It's a bit dusty, I do apologise. But it's just a lovely, lovely example. Got the uprated audio system as well. Heated and cooled front and rear seats. Electric memory. You've got the digital display screen showing 56,369 miles. Key not found, of course it's not. I'll just grab the key for a minute because this car is lovely. Give me a second. So it does come with 2 keys. All right, both of them are available here. Electric boot. With a very good sized rear boot and spare wheel. In the rear of the vehicle, we have the rear entertainment, so televisions in the back of the headrests, as well as rear climate, heated and cooled seats. You've even got footrests, so you've got the mats, and then here you've got lovely footrests. The seats recline, they're unmarked. The interior is absolutely glorious, fantastically presented. I don't normally do a video this long, but it's just such a nice car. I want to take my time with it and show you around. Heated steering wheel, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, reverse camera. Turn that light off, it's annoying. Really annoying parking. Seatbelt noise. You've got all the original book packs and manuals in this purple velvet funky glove box. Look at that. That's where the Queen used to keep her pearls. Loads of storage as well in the centre here with USB ports, AUX 12-volt sockets. And have a listen to this almighty 5-litre. So this is available here at Dorset Prestige Cars. If anyone's interested, please contact one of the team. Comes with a minimum of 6 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. What a lovely, lovely example, guys. So don't miss out on the opportunity to own this one. The full advert spec and price will be presented on the Instagram page, Auto Trader website, Facebook, everywhere, very, very soon. Thanks for watching.